What I'm going to read to you now is a joint statement issued by the Health and Safety Executive, the Trade Union Congress and the Confederation of Business Industry. It's really important. It's been issued in light of the coronavirus statement, and let me read it to you and then I'll come back to you. Here it is here, dated 3rd of April 2020, and it states, "This is an extremely worrying time for firms and workers. We know many workers, union reps and employers have questions and concerns about safe working, especially for those continuing to work away from home. This joint statement between the Health and Safety Executive, the TUC and the CBI is intended to clarify the position. The health and safety of workers remains paramount. Employers must continue to provide workers with information about risks to their health and the actions their employers must take. Social distancing is a key public health measure introduced by Public Health England to reduce the spread of infection. Most employers are going to great lengths to ensure social distancing wherever possible. The HSE, CBI and TUC wish to publicly support these efforts. Firms that can safely stay open and support livelihoods should not be forced to close by misunderstandings about government guidance. But if it comes to the HSE's attention that employers are not complying with the relevant Public Health England guidance, including enabling social distancing where it is practical to do so, HSE will consider a range of actions ranging from providing specific advice to employers through to issuing enforcement notices, including prohibition notices. Where a worker has a genuine concern about health and safety which cannot be resolved through speaking with their employer or trade union, they should contact the relevant enforcement agency, either their local authority or the HSE through, and there's the web link there. For firms who are unsure about the guidance, please visit, and there's the web link there, and they've also issued one here for the Partnership on Health and Safety in Scotland. Well, I hope you found that document useful, and that certainly clarifies a position from the HSE, the TUC and the CBI. Now, as you know, I've put out some risk assessments recently on COVID-19 and physical restraint because there was nothing forthcoming from Public Health England or anywhere else, so I put those out to clarify the situation, and organisations are free to use them and adapt them to meet their own needs. But I'm also seeing another worrying trend as well, which is concerning me, and that is I've seen some risk assessments that have been put out to justify actually engaging with people that people should not be engaging with at all because it is breaching this social distancing guidelines. And I just want to say this, and I want you to listen to me very carefully. You can't use a risk assessment to justify something that you should not be doing, okay? It's absolute fact. A risk assessment is there to objectively look at the risk and the hazards and who's going to be harmed by them, and then to give a series of control measures following a hierarchy of control, okay? That's the important thing. Now, many of you know me, you've seen the information I put out, you've read my stuff, some of you have been on training courses with me, some of you are coming on training courses with me, but you understand my values, you understand where I'm coming from, and you know what I stand for, okay? Now, if you want to come out of this situation, you're going to need help, okay? And this document is a good starting point. But I'd like to help you more. I'd like to give you some more help. And that's why I want to give you the opportunity to enrol on a course that I only launched yesterday. I didn't know I was going to see this morning. And that course is a level 3 risk assessment course. And I'll tell you why it's important, but I'm going to leave a link. And when you go to this link, please, even if you don't enrol on the course, watch the video and read the entire page because it's really, really important. But the reason I want you to enrol on this course is the best person for doing risk assessments in your area of work is going to be someone who is qualified and competent, and this course can make you that person, okay? We'll give you a level 3 certificate, which means you can go away and do risk assessments, not only for your own organisation, which safeguards your organisation, but it also gives you the opportunity to actually do them for other people too, so you can add another business string to your business if you like, okay? But please, I genuinely want to help you. You know what I stand for, you know what I value. Many of you have known me for many, many years now. Go to the link, check it out, enrol on the course, because I am absolutely sure that, particularly given this statement that's come out, what I've got to offer you is going to be absolutely 100% of help to you. All right, thanks very much, and you have a great day.